Building a new home or garage? Replacing your existing garage door? Looking for door solutions for your business? Heartland Building Center has everything you need to know about their complete line of Raynor garage doors. Raynor is the leading provider of residential and commercial garage doors. Whether it's a steel or aluminum garage door for your home, or a sectional or rolling door for a commercial or agricultural application, Raynor products are crafted for dependable, long-lasting performance. Raynor Garage Doors from Heartland Building Center in Hayes, Russell, and Stockton, providing free in-town delivery.